several minutes past midnight. Is anyone coming? Sergeant Sarah, something is very wrong.
General, I know what's wrong. I'm wrong. I've failed. I've spoken to these people day after day, but my words haven't reached them. I could be better.
Welcome, brothers. Welcome.
Is everybody in? Where's Nathan? There you are, monsieur. 1 dozen more sinners. Sorry to have time to clean them up.
Won't you gentlemen sit down?
Yes, sit down, all of you. Remember, this is a missionary, not a Roseland. So I suggest you don't indulge any unpleasantries. Remember, in my absence tonight, Nathan is going to be major domo. Anyone who does not conduct himself according to the law will report to Sky Masterson personally. Have a good evening.
What a remarkable young man.
So, where's that, you guys?
Gentlemen, we are honored tonight. The meeting will be conducted by the head of our organization, General Cartwright. Thank you. It is wonderful to see our mission graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to start the ball rolling by giving testimony?
Benny can give a testimony. Nathan, I am many things, but I ain't not no stool pigeon.
Come, brothers, I know it is difficult, but let one of us give testimony to sin that is in his heart. Anyone?
Harry, give testimony.
Oh, no.
Harry the horse.
Well, like when Scott Masterson was rolling us for our souls.
I beg your pardon?
Scott Masterson, he rolls each $1,000 against our souls. That's why we're here. Right, fellas?
Yeah. I still don't think I understand.
I do, General. It means that they're only here because Mr. Masterson won them in a dice game.
How wonderful! This whole meeting is the result of gambling. It shows how good can come out of evil. Sergeant Sarah, you've done remarkable work.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
You will now hear ha-ha! Ahem. We will now hear testimony from Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson!
It happened to me like a dream. That's it. A dream.
Tell us, in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on a boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, "Someone feed me!" But the passengers, they know right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're off the boat.
People all said, sit down, you're off the boat.
And the devil will drag you under with a sharp hook by your checkered coat. Sit down, you're off the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers stabbing, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, "Someone save me!" That's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. So I said myself, sit down. Said myself, sit down. You're rocking up. And the devil will drag you under. His soul, so never you'll never float. Sit down,